Hello viewers, welcome to Happy Streamers. In this video, I will show you how to add alerts on OBS Studio. First open your web browser, then go to streamelements.com. Now log in using your Facebook, Twitch or YouTube account. Now from the left menu, go to Streaming Tools, then go to Overlay. Click New Overlay. Select your display resolution. Now click Add Widget, go to Alerts, Alert Box. From the left, you can edit the alert. You can change the layout and other options. You can also change the size, position and style. You can change the alert box position where you want to show. I am selecting on the right bottom corner. Now click Emulate and select Subscriber Event. Now you can see alert has been added. Now click Save. Give it any name. Now copy the URL. Then go to OBS Studio. Then add a new source. Select Browser Source. Click OK. Now paste that URL. Select the display resolution again. Remember, it must be same as the resolution you have selected before. Now if you click Emulate, you will see the pop-up will be shown here. That's all. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you.